1, 2, 3, cut！ 啊，不对，你没有看。
Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Wunderground 2023, and we are here at 37 Avenue. And I'm told that Nine.N and i.Poise have transformed a shipping container into a fusion of home living space and an art gallery. So I can't wait to show you their take on interior styling and bringing you a fresh perspective with furniture that we can use at home. So let's go. Alright, I'm here with the founder of Nine.N, Joanne!
Hello!
Please share with us what amazing products you have here today.
Yeah, sure. I'm excited to highlight a few of our furniture to show you how they fit in this container space. We know many of you live in a cozy home or apartment, so we design our furniture to be compact. So whether it's like our Kaiteki, our Bedo, our swivel chair, right? We design with both functionality and style to maximize the space taken up in a home. We brought in an exclusive color from Wunderground.
I know, the apricot color.
Yes.
Well, Joanne, I'm really impressed because all this furniture fits perfectly into this space. Can you tell us what more can customers expect when they buy from you?
So Nine.N, we are a home and living brand that started with our signature Kaiteki floor recliners because we are looking for a way to sit comfortably ourselves. Since the beginning, we have aimed to build a brand that you can trust. Every pieces of our furniture we offer is to build with top-notch quality and craftsmanship, and we back our products with confidence. Beyond our high-quality products, we provide various warranties and service to give our customer a peace of mind.
Thank you so much for sharing with us, Joanne. I really love all your furniture pieces, and maybe I can bring that one home? Transforming a space from a house to a home can only be done with specially curated styling. I definitely want to get a team from i.Poise. Hi Eugene, we
Hello.
meet again.
Yes.
So tell us what goes behind the styling of this container.
Okay, the most important thing about this project is that we want to be synonymous with the brand name Nine.N, which is more simple, plain, clean-cut look. And with this, right, actually I have my team here, Joel and Nicole, to help bring this whole thing to life.
Hi Joel and Nicole. This question is for Joel. So what inspired you to create this space?
So what we did is actually created a contrasting centerpiece with a pop of color, whilst maintaining as closely as possible to the brand image, but also showcase the adventurous side of it.
Wow, gotta agree, it looks really refreshing. Okay, Nicole, the next question is for you. So if you have a pro tip to share with homeowners with regards to styling, what would it be?
I think what I would really recommend is to actually think out of the box and go bold. So really just choose colors or finishes that you would never think would work. It could even turn out even better than what you expect.
Love it! Elements of surprise. I am just so amazed by how these two brands have transformed this small space into a home setting, making it so aesthetic and comfortable at the same time. So if you're looking for aesthetic functional furniture to complete your home, or you're looking for designing or styling services, make sure you check out these brands at the bottom of the screen. I had so much fun today, so thank you so much for checking out this space with me. My name is Joyce, and I'll see you next time.